nga pala from BSIT 1A ng ISPSC Santa Maria, Ilocos. So, okay, for today's video, ang tatalakayin natin ngayon ay how computer application help the agriculture and engineering sectors of the society. Pero bago ang lahat, intro muna tayo. So, eto nga guys, magsimula tayo sa agriculture sector. How computer application help the agriculture sector of society. Ito yan guys, ito yung definition niya. Computer application play a crucial role in improving the agriculture sector by enhancing productivity, efficiency, and sustainability. Here are some ways they help. So, ito guys. Number 1, precision farming. Application use GPS and sensors to monitor soil conditions, weather, and crop that help farmers can optimize the use of water, fertilizers and pesticides, reducing waste and improving yields. Next, number 2, data analysis. Agricultural software can analyze historical data and provide forecasts related to crop growth, disease outbreak, and weather patterns, helping farmers make informed decisions. Next, farm management system. These applications allow farmers to track activities such as planting, irrigation, harvesting, and financial transactions, leading to better farm resource management. Next, supply chain management. Applications facilitate tracking crops from the field to the market, ensuring quality control, minimizing losses, and improving distribution. Next, e-commerce and market access. Online platforms allows farmers to sell their product directly to the consumers or distributors, cutting out middlemen and improving profits. Next, drone and robotics. Computer programs control drones and automatic machine used for planting, spraying, and monitoring, reducing the needs for labor and increasing accuracy. Next, LOT in agriculture. The Internet of Things (IoT) device collect real-time data about soil, crops, and weather, which is processed by application to optimize farming operations. Number 9, sustainable practice. Applications support eco-friendly farming by recommending best practice that reduce water usage, manage energy consumption, and limit the use of chemicals. Number 9, emerging technologies in agriculture. The use of computer applications continues to evolve, with the technologies emerging to further enhance agriculture practice like cloud biology, vertical farming, and satellite imaging. Number 10, communication and collaboration. So ito na guys yung pang-last. Computer application facilitate communication and collaboration among farmers, experts, and researchers, fostering knowledge sharing and innovation such as online forums and social network and e-agriculture. So ito yung brief summary. Overall, computer application streamline agriculture practice, enhance productivity, and ensure sustainability, benefiting both farmers and society. So yun guys, doon nagtatapos ang ating agriculture. So punta naman tayo dito sa engineering sector. Engineering sector. Computers application have significantly transformed the engineering sector in various ways, making process more efficient, accurate, and innovate. Here are the key ways they have contribute. Number 1, design and simulation tools. Software like CAD or Computer Aided Design and CAE Computer Aided Engineering allow engineers to design, model, and simulate complex systems These tools have reduced the time needed for manual drafting and prototyping, enabling more precise design. Next, automation of repetitive tasks. Automation through software application help to streamline tasks such as calculation, data analysis, and reports generation, free up engineers to focus on creative and complex problems. Next, data analysis and management. Engineers project generate massive amount of data. Applications such as MATLAB and Excel provide powerful data analysis tools to process and interpret this data, leading to better decision making. Next, project management. Software like MS Project and Primavera assist engineers in planning, scheduling, and managing resources, helping them to meet project deadlines and budget more effectively. Next, simulation and testing. Software application allow engineers to simulate real-world scenarios and test systems virtually. This reduces the need for costly physical prototypes and identify potential issue early in the design process. 6. Collaboration and communication. Cloud-based platform and collaboration tools like AutoCAD or AutoCAD 360 and Asana enable teams for different locations to work together in real time, sharing design and ideas instantly. Next, 3D printing and manufacturing. Application related to 3D modeling and printing have revolutionized manufacturing, enabling the creation of prototype or end product with complex geometries that were previously difficult or impossible to manufacture. Next, artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI-powered applications are increasingly being used in predictive optimization of engineering systems and even autonomous decision making, boosting efficiency and reducing operational risk. 9. Next, computer aided manufacturing CAM or CAM. CAM software integrates with CAD design to automate manufacturing process, improving efficiency, precision, and consistency. This allows for the production of complex parts and product with high level of accuracy and repeatability, such as automate machine, quality controls, robotics, and automation. Ito na guys yung last, yung engineering sector. These advancements have collectively accelerated innovation, reduced costs, and improved the precision and quality of engineering outcomes. And that's all our video. Salamat sa panonood. Bye-bye. God bless us.